Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can open both a long and a short position on Bybit using the futures trading interface. Whether you're on the app or the website, the process is almost identical and very beginner friendly. When you open the futures page, the first thing you'll do is pick the trading pair you want to trade. For example, BTC USDT. Right after that, make sure your leverage and margin mode are set the way you prefer. Cross mode uses your entire futures balance as collateral, while isolated keeps each trade separate. If you're new, keeping leverage low is always safer. To open a long position, all you're doing is entering the market expecting the price to rise. You choose the type of order you want, usually market for an instant entry or limit if you want to pick your own price. Enter your position size, double check everything, and then tap buy/long. As soon as the order fills, you'll see your long position appear in the Positions tab where you can track entry price, P&L, and liquidation price. Opening a short position is almost the same process, just the opposite direction. You still choose between market or limit and enter your trade size, but instead of buying, you tap sell/short. This opens a position that profits when the price goes down, and it will show in the same Positions tab with all your trade details. Once either position is open, you can attach take profit and stop loss to manage your risk or close a trade at any time if the market moves the way you want. And that's all you need to open both long and short trades on Bybit. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple trading guides.